Hey guys, it's Melissa with Melissa Peterson Designs. Thank you for joining me. Today it's Monday and it's a little jury here. I just got a little spring craft I want to do. It's probably going to take maybe 10 minutes or less. I've got last week at Hobby Lobby, the canvases were on sale. And I picked up a few of these burlap canvases and I got them half off. And this one was $7.99, so I got it for $4. I have some scrap lace I've got picked out, and I have some flowers picked out, but now I found a new bundle that I've cut apart and I'm trying to decide what colors. I did pick out this one. I love this color, but when I went to tear it apart, I got a whole bunch of different little pieces, and I'm gonna save them for a future project. So if you're on, let me know that you're on and where you're at. So this little bundle Daniela gave me last year in a gift, and there's a couple of flowers in there that I like. And I think I asked her yesterday if it was okay if I repurpose this, and she said yes. So I've got her permission. But I think I'm going to go with this blue one. So I'm going to use my husband's wire snips and snip this off the bundle. I've got my hot glue gun heated up. So I'm going to use this one. I'm going to put you down so you can see what I'm up to. I probably should have gone sideways. So this can be used like as a table setter, or you can hang it on the wall. One thing about these canvases, I have bought the holders you can use for them, but to me they're not very reliable. So I just hang my canvases just on that ledge. And I don't need that. So there's my canvas. And that is a 8x16. You can craft with it that way, or you can craft with it this way. I'm going to stick with up and down. So I think I'm going to enjoy this one. Okay, now this is my favorite ribbon, and I'm going to use this, but I'm going to have to figure out how to glue it on, and I think I figured it out. I'm going to keep this at the top. I'm doing this backwards for me and forward for you. And I'm going to put this over it, and I think I'm just going to glue that right on top. Otherwise, I'm going to have a hard time figuring out how to glue that on if I didn't have something over it. And don't worry about the strings until the glue is cool, because you can pull them apart and pull them away. So there we go. That's off to a good start. And then I have this ribbon. I got this ribbon at Hobby Lobby. I'm going to put this down here, and I'm just building up a little texture. So I'm just going to glue where it's solid on the ribbon, and be careful not to burn, because that glue will push right through. And another. There we go. So this is probably the only fun project I'm going to get to do today. I got to work on tax receipts. I still haven't gotten mine done and get ready to turn in. So I'm probably going to make a cup of coffee and go sit down and relax with that. So that's where we're at so far. We're just building a little texture. And the stems from, let me see, I think it was this one. I saved and actually cut up with the wire cutters. I'm going to go ahead and use these, because we're just going to make like a little flower craft. And I'm probably going to have this sitting on my shelf. I'm going to use this one. You can use real sticks. You can repurpose the stems from these plastic flowers. Okay, I need some more. So I'm just applying glue carefully on the back side. I'm not really butting them up, but I am getting them close. And I think one more. Probably should have gone smaller, we'll see. So there we're at so far. Now I have a few of these leaves I had left over from these stems I cut off. I'm going to repurpose them too. I'm not going to use all of them though. I got strings. Okay, where else do I want one? I want one here. Kind of odd doing this backwards or upside down, but we're making it work. Now I've got strings all over, and I'm just hot gluing these on. I think I'll just do one more. And that's a little bit too big, so I'm going to cut that down just a little bit more, but not too much. I want a little bit of that stem there to help hold the flower together. There we go. Yep. See, I was debating on doing pink, but I don't know if that's too big. I also had this other blue. I like that one also. And I was debating on doing this green. Let me go ahead and snip that because I'll end up reusing this. The only thing is with this, if you cut up too far, it starts coming apart because you got all these individual things. And I really like that one. I'm wondering what you think. That, I think that's actually too small now. What are cameras? And this, the leaves are folding on that one, but I can fix that. Or that. Oh, I think I'm gonna go with my gut. I'm gonna go with the green one. So I'll glue around the flowers. Try and carefully not glue myself. I'll put a little glue on the canvas too. A little glue with a lot of glue. Let me get you back down here. Oh boy. Okay. I might have to add a little bit more here and there. But there's my spring flower sign. Made from a burlap canvas and some lace and some cut up flower stem. This was, I think, the hydrangea at Hobby Lobby, and I don't know if it was like $7 full price. So I got a little texture there, so that's it. Nice and simple. I can put that up against on the table as a shelf setter, hang it on the wall. So I hope you guys have a great Monday, and I'll be back on Friday. I'm going to be at my daughter's house. We're going to paint her house, but before we do, we're going to work on a craft. I've got some scrap wood we're going to work on, and see if we can make another spring project. So you guys have a great week, and if you like this video, I hope you sprinkle it, and if you like I hope you like my page, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.